Okay, we have everything cut out. It is time to assemble. So the project will look like this. You'll have your little pin up here at the top, and unfortunately I see that it's coming out. One second. This is coming undone, even though I put a little tape in the back. Right there and right there. Okay, like that. This is what it looks like. This is perfect to put into your purse, to give as a gift or in an Easter basket. And if you're definitely giving to the kids, you will see post-it notes all over the lawn because you know how little kids, they have a little pin. Oh, how cute. And so right all over the place. So it's just a great little stuffer that you can put in your in any basket. So these are what we have. The pins I got from Staples, they're gel mini pins. I'm sure you can find them on Etsy, not Etsy, Amazon. And this is what it looks like right there. This is the size and everything. Okay. And first things first, we're going to work with the harder portion right here. Actually, no, I lie. I'm going to start with the little portion because I have come across some major struggles when it comes to little items such as this. Now, before I do, make sure that this all lines up because there is a right way to put it and a wrong way to put it. This would be the right way. It lines up. If I put it the other way, and I think it sticks out just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. So just make sure you find out which way it's going first. So here we're going to put the little shawl. So cute. I love it. And I am going to put it a little bit here and a little bit here. And all I'm going to do is just going to drape it. There we go. Like that. Giving it a nice little three-dimensional feel. Like that. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is put glue here and glue here. I'm going to lay it right here. Now this is like one of my smaller pieces and I don't want it to go missing. So the bigger the better, so I can see it better. All right. I think that was my hardest part. My hardest thing to do. Oh, come on, glue. Give me, don't, there you go. All right. Now, to assemble the little post-it note carrier. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to bend. And now I use the dash line in order for the camera to pick it up a little bit better. You see how when I go like that, you can see it? And for me to see it better, to be honest. Now, this has 3 lines. I'm not sure if you can pick it up quite as of yet, but they're there. There's 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 going vertically. We're going to do valleys and folds. So this is a fold, and then we're going to do a valley, and this is going to pop up. Now, this may seem a little rigid, and the main reason is the 110 cardstock. You don't have to use 110 cardstock. That's what I had on hand. And then valley again. I mean, a fold. And it's going to look like an M, just like that. And that's it. That's the hardest part. And all you're going to do is grab one of your pins. There you go. That's it. That's one of the hardest things. All right. Now for decorating. I'm going to fold this like this. I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Actually, no, I don't want to do glue. Since this is a bit thin, it's going to cause creases with the water inside the glue. And I'd rather avoid that. Okay. I just have to make sure that this is right in the middle. Oop. Oop. rip that a little too hard, but no one's going to see it. It's on the back. No one can see it. All right. This goes right here in the front. Just like that. Right? Yeah, it's going the right direction. Okay. Perfect. Now this one is going to go this way. So the only one that's going to look upside down is this one right here. And when you have wording, you want to make sure it goes the right way. Now, if you were going to give this to your mom, your grandmother, a relative that is not under the age of 5, well, maybe like the age of 10, you may want to just consider putting a little tape at the hinge part of this. If you definitely give it to somebody a little older, maybe put a little effort in, put Velcro or even a magnet so they can use it over and over again. Okay, put that in there like so. Now here you just put a little bit of adhesive. I mean, you could put hot glue for it to have it adhere a little bit better. You just make this go right in the center like so. Close. And if you were going to give this to a little kid, obviously you don't want to put too much effort because they're just going to, you know, write in it and then throw it away. Okay. Okay, right there like that. You just want to line it up. There you go. And then they can easily open it and close it. But for the main piece, I want it to be right there. So most of my glue will go right in the circle. Right in the center there. And that was it. That was an easy thing to do, put together. I think the hardest one was just putting this little guy in, and that's it, because I didn't want to lose it. But that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you have any concerns or whatnot, I am more than happy to help. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.